Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Toni Sorrell, and I'm an associate professor of mathematics education at Longwood University and the chair of the mathematics and computer science department. I'm excited to share how we've strengthened our pre-service secondary mathematics program to better prepare future teachers for today's data-driven world. Over the past few years, we've made some important updates to our program's courses. First, we added an introduction to programming courses, either in Python or C++. Then we also added a statistical decision-making course to provide students with statistical background. And most recently, we added a teaching data science and modeling course, and that brings together mathematical reasoning, statistics, and real-world data analysis. I'd like to introduce Dr. Virginia Lewis.
Hi, I'm Virginia Lewis, and I'm the program coordinator for secondary mathematics education at Longwood. And I was the professor who actually created the original course syllabus for the data science and modeling course for our secondary teachers. When I first worked on the syllabus for the curriculum processes, it was the fall of 2021 and didn't get a chance to teach the class until fall of 2024. So given the pace at which data science is changing as a field, changes quite a bit between 2021 and 2024. So when you're designing your own course, think about how long university curriculum processes are, and just know that when you finally teach the course, it's probably going to be very different. Also, give yourself room in your course to be flexible with your course schedule, even in the current semester. Since it is an emerging field, things will come up that you want to explore or investigate, or your students will have interests that will come out in the classroom that you're going to want to incorporate. Also, our students really valued using the NC State data investigation process that was developed by Holly Lynn Stoley's team, and all the work that they've done and making connections between that process and all the activities we did throughout the course. Some other lessons learned with the course is that we began the course by really doing a lot of modeling and playing and building around understanding the concepts for the various measures of center, also really understanding spread, how adding values to our data set might change or impact these values, so that we really could explore in more detail with data science later on, relying on this conceptual knowledge. I used 3 different technology tools in the course: CodeApp, Excel, and R. I was surprised that our library had a lot of free books that were available around, especially Excel and R. So make sure you check those, see what's available before you purchase things or have students purchase things. Another thing that surprised me was that our students had not had any Excel experience at all before this class. As math majors, I sort of thought they might have had that in other courses. There was some students with R experiences, but only upper level elective courses. So not every student had that. There were some pre-service teachers in the class who were not particularly interested in statistics or data science, and I was excited about the class, so that kind of surprised me. But reflecting, I realized they really saw themselves more as mathematicians and not really data scientists. But we were excited about having this class because this is a new course that can be taught in the state of Virginia with our Virginia Data Science Standards of Learning course in mathematics that we actually have. It's approved by our state. Another thing is just modeling how real professionals work in the field. If you have something that the students bring to you that you're not sure how to solve, just say that. I'm not sure how to tackle this one, but we can figure it out, and show them how you investigated, what research you did to figure out a solution, and then share those back out with the students in the class, and they'll be excited to hear what you found out.
In the end, this journey taught us that teaching data science to pre-service teachers requires patience, flexibility, and a willingness to adapt. It's about helping future educators see how data and modeling are essential parts of modern mathematics education. We're proud of the progress we made, and we're excited to continue refining the program to meet the needs of our students and the classrooms they'll lead. Thank you.
Thank you.